I'm Wes, the auto body guy. After 15 years in the industry, I've decided it's time to share some of the tips and tricks I've learned along the way. Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are working on a Tesla, which is one of my favorites, but we're removing the rear bumper and doing a little quarter panel repair. So I'm gonna just show you the basics of removing the rear bumper. Thought that might be valuable to you guys if you run into these things. They're pretty basic, but we'll get right to it here. So one thing I forgot to mention in the intro is this is a 2018 Model 3. But anyway, along here on the rear bumper, we got lots of snaps along the sides, under the tail lamps. You do have to remove the tail lamps to get to this one bolt here in the video. You can see that's a 10mm bolt there, the hole. So you gotta remove both tail lamps to access those two vertical 10mm bolts. Snaps all along the bottom, and let's see, there's the 10mm hole there, and then vertically another one at the tip, and then snaps along the sides. Let's see here. These guys are monsters trying to get those clips out of there that hold the tail lamp in. I'll show you here. The tail lamp has two pointed snaps and then two nuts on the inner side. Those outer snaps are just really difficult to get out. So you're gonna want like a plastic trim tool or something like that, and it still takes a lot of effort to get that out. Down here on the bottom, I chose to not remove the under shield and just pull the top away and then slip my hand down there, and there's a 10mm bolt there, and then vertically, and I was able to access the bumper that way and not have to remove that whole under shield. Here's the side trim piece, and that snapped out pretty easily. That gave us access to be able to remove the tail lamp and get to that other bolt. That's it, guys. Pretty basic bumper there, but hopefully this will help you out if you run into it. And we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more of this type information. Thanks, guys.